Hi everyone, this is a video for you to just show you some items that you have to avoid by all means. For instance, I was looking for a stand for my some lazy arm or a stand for my tablet, and I come across this. Obviously it wasn't this. If I would have seen this one, I by all my powers would avoid this. So first I show you the advertising of this, and here it is. It says 360 degrees rotating long arms, desk, bed, phone holder, a stand, tablet, lazy mount, or all of that. And then we look at the picture. And when you look at the picture and look at this, just look at it. The quality is so abysmal, and everything is different. So now, and this one was saying this one is very strong, and it can withstand the weight of the tablet, and there are two angles as well, one above your head and one aside your head. For instance, on the corner of your desk or something of that sense. So if you look at this, the quality of this is not comparable with this. Let me just open this a little bit, just to show you a little bit how it looks like. I should loosen this. Just look at this part, and you see obviously is a steel, and that one is plastic, and the metal here is aluminium, and this is really cheap aluminium tubing, and the joints is telling you something really amazing about the joints, that these joints has so many layers of adjustments. This, if you look at it, new type of vortex shaft, very nice. And I open this vortex shaft and I show you it. Here in the image you have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layers. And in here we have this that it fell from behind, and that's it. All of it is this, and is cheaply made, and the only way to use this is by friction, not by any sort of intelligent vortex shaft or something of that sense. Is not really. Let me just sort this out. And then this one goes there, and then the screw goes back here, and then this one going to screw back on. Anyhow, this video is only about to avoid this product, and as you see is very flimsy and not very good. And I tell you that this one has two ways of connecting to this clamp on the table. One is like normal, that it goes here, this goes there, and then when you move it around, when the weight is a little bit on the top, it just falls out. And it came with a screw here as well, but this screw is not coming out to just hold anything. It's just pushing this piece of plastic against this part, but still it was coming out anyway. And then the second way that you can attach this is above your bed, for instance your headboard, and then this one goes in here, and then it hangs above your head. And if you are not lucky, when you are moving it around, it's gonna drop on your head and it hurts you because tablets are very, very heavy. Anyway, that's really it, and I just wanted to show you this. To avoid it by all means, and look at the quality of this and the quality of the item that I showed you. This is the vortex shaft, as if some pieces of electronic is in there. Can you see that? Jesus, these advertising business is really ridiculous. And then you see the quality is supposed to be like this, and you see the quality of that spring clamp is totally different than this. That is of a higher quality than this, and as you see is stretching from the bottom, but this one is stretching from both ways, which makes it a little bit less stable. And anyway, I purchased this for the price that it showed here, and it's free shipping, and it came, and I told them that this is not as described here, and they just reimbursed me, and they even told me to keep this without sending it back. But in general, I'm telling you to avoid this. If you come across some listing like this, avoid it by all means, because it's just fakery. And look at the pictures, look at the weight that is putting on that. Is just a lie, and do not purchase this at all. Anyway, this video is getting too long because this unit doesn't worth paying this much of time on that. Anyway, by all means avoid this one, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.